Hello everyone, and you're watching Bitcoin Bubble News Channel. That's the banana zone. Right now, this is the banana zone. I also put out something on X that was about SUI. I'm on the foundation board of the cryptocurrency token SUI. Okay, I'm selling it, but I'm not really. Things I don't think will go up are not what I talk about. This has been on my mind for a while. People have been warned that I believe SUI will be one of the chosen ones this time. Bitcoin Bubble stands out because it is clear and easy to understand. There's no limit to who can join, no matter how much they know about crypto or how new they are to it. Guess who is watching us now? Robert Kiyosaki is the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad. We'd also like to use this chance to thank everyone who put their trust in us. The best part is that it's free, and we read all of them. If you sign up now, you'll get all the new information for free. Stay ahead of the trends instead of just following them. Sign up for Bitcoin Bubble right now and enjoy the new age. Raoul pal on the most crazy show in crypto and macro. Now it's time for Raoul to do what Jade Powell said about rates. In this talk, Raoul talks about crypto, the banana zone, the everything code, lifestyle chips, and where we are now in terms of the big picture. It now does better than almost everything else. What's more, it's doing better than Solana, which is my big bet. And I have picked Solana. Sui has obviously been given some tokens as part of the foundation and joined up, but I have 90% of my net worth in Solana. I'm not going to sell though. No, some of them are not logged in. I'm not going to sell. In fact, I've been buying myself. I believe it is a picked one. I really believe it will do really well. Yes, there is a low free float, and everyone is like, oh my god, they're going to dump on you. But a lot of the unlocking took place a while back. It's really pretty phased and low key now. But in a rising market, where people are interested in a really cool protocol, a low free float means that only a small amount of money causes prices to rise. It can also happen the other way around during a downward market. Just know that the market is going up. The idea is just really cool. You might not like it. You might like something else better. You don't have to show me that your chart will do better than Solana's. Just show yourself that it will. Then show Sui that it will do better than Sui. Yes. That's how things should be done. That's what made me interested in the Bitcoin ETH cross. That's what got me interested in the Solana ETH Solana trade, and Sui. This has been on my list for a while. From what I could tell, the chart was going to do this. It seems like one of the big ones. Other things will definitely do better than Sui. Then it might be your gift. What if it's yours? I'm not going to say that every time I say a bunch of tokens, everyone yells at me. I really don't want to deal with you guys. But listen up, I believe in plenty. I hope that whatever you decide is best for you. There is no player vs. person. All I'm trying to do is make as much money as possible for myself and my subscribers to Pro Macro, Global Macro Investor, and the macro investing tool. The fact that I share a lot of my information for free makes some people who pay tens of thousands of dollars for my research mad, but it's important to me to help as many people as possible on this journey. There has never been a bigger chance in the history of macroeconomics than we are now. I need to bring as many people as I can. If you're not being selfish, I didn't start Real Vision for that reason. It's not what I've been doing. I really want you to do your best. Okay, I'm not going to fail. I'm not a master. I'll make mistakes. Also, I think you'll help me and love me at different times. I talked about this a lot. I guess I'm just trying to help as much as I can. I have nothing bad to say about your coin. I don't want to hurt you in any way. I'm not trying to trick you, sell you something, or do anything else. I'm just doing what I normally do. That's what I'm telling you. It's also fine if you don't want to do that. It's okay if you want to ride with me. I do not know everything. I'm not going to be the best person in the world. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that because I'm worried, and you all know that Nala is barking again. I have no idea why she can't hear. She doesn't hear anything. It's so quiet that I can't hear her bark. But yes, I did talk about this a lot. Some of the nicest, most interesting people in the world live in this space. We all want to do our best and are in this together. Other than that, there are some really bad people who just want to be mean about everything, and it gets really old when you work 14-hour days. I mean, I can do other things, but I don't. Anyway, so early Bitcoin miners who got coins as prizes soon after the blockchain was launched by Satoshi Nakamoto, who created it under a pseudonym, have recently been seen moving their BTC. On September 25th, miner wallets that had been given 50 Bitcoin as block awards in 2009 began to move their money. Three of them got block awards on January 31st, 2009. On February 2nd, 2009, the last wallet got a block prize. On January 3rd, 2009, Nakamoto mined the Genesis block and added a message that referenced a story from the UK's Times newspaper. This made the Bitcoin blockchain live. The person who created Bitcoin talked about the protocol's basics on January 9th, 2009, such as how to mine coins and send them. Since the BTC was created just a few weeks after the Bitcoin blockchain went live, the wallets probably belonged to people who were there when it all started. The 250 BTC in the wallets wasn't worth much at first when it was mined. But Bitcoin did hit $1 in 2011 on the now defunct cryptocurrency exchange Medgox. A few months later, Nakamoto said goodbye to the cryptocurrency world and said he was going to work on other projects. CoinGecko says that each unit is now worth about $15.9 million based on the price of one Bitcoin. As the BTC moves were reported, people in the community tried to guess who was moving the tokens. One former user said that the person could have found their old hard drive and won the lottery after seeing the Bitcoin. Another user said that it could have been someone who was unconscious and woke up rich. Many people think that the wallets may belong to Nakamoto or Hal Finney, an American software engineer. The Bitcoin creator sent 10 BTC to Finney. Finney, who was one of the first people to use Bitcoin on January 12, 2009. This was the first exchange in the history of Bitcoin. On September 18, 2004, the rate was cut by 50 basis points. On September 18, 2007, the rate was cut by 50 basis points. Oh no, the market is going to crash. That was the top of the business cycle, and it was going down. Prices went up the most ever. Inflation has been going down, and the economy is in a very bad place right now. It's like this is banana stuff. Please don't fall for this over the top drama. Things are going to go wrong. You'll end up in the poorhouse. If you listen to doomsdays, you listen to them when the business cycle is at its highest point. When it starts to fall, you turn up that number. If not, don't pay attention to them. They'll cost you more money than anyone else. I'm really drawn to it. When they cut back on inflation, the 1970s came back. So tell them to go away. Here's Cisco vs. Nvidia every time they show. Tell them to fuck off. They're not talking sense.